Today we are doing an oil change on a 2008 Victory Kingpin. These are super simple to do if you're not already doing your own oil changes on these bikes. I highly recommend it. Requires just a couple of tools. It's very simple. There's actually a kit out there that you can use to buy everything that you need all in one. We're gonna send you a link for that in the description below. Super simple. We're going to walk you through it step by step right here. All right, so first things first, obviously you want to make sure your motorcycle is fully warmed up. That's going to make this old bad oil flow out of here much more quickly. You're going to make sure it takes all the contaminants with it. So after your motorcycle is warmed up, you're going to come to the left side of your motorcycle and you're going to look under here. There is an Allen right here. It is a number 6 Allen. And as normal, you're going to go lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. So one thing to note on here is there is a copper washer here. Highly recommend replacing that copper washer. Normally, obviously, you'd be able to reuse the drain bolt, but of course, in this case, we are not going to reuse this drain bolt. We are going to replace this one after we fish it out from the oil. All right, after you have removed your rounded out oil drain bolt, you're gonna remove the oil filter that is also going to be too tight, because any monkey who uses the wrong size Allen on the drain bolt is surely to have tightened your oil filter much too tight. So we're going to take that off with some oil filter pliers. This is not the right tool. This is just the tool that will work. Wow, way too tight. Wonderful. Look at that. All right, so we're just going to let this finish draining here. From the filter and the drain bolt. All right, so after you have let your oil filter drain, you're of course gonna grab the new one. And we're just gonna make it hand tight. Believe it or not, just a one ugga, just like that. That's all you need. Don't put your oil filter wrench on there and all your strength. Don't do that. That's all you gotta do. After you've let the oil drain from your engine, after you've replaced the oil filter, you are of course going to come back after you've gone to all the trouble to buy a brand new oil drain bolt from Victory with a brand new copper washer, and you are going to install this bad boy under with 15, actually let's call it, 15 inch-pounds of torque. Very, very light. You're going to snug it up. Don't over torque this. You're going to round it out and you're going to have to buy a new one. Okay, once you have removed and replaced your oil drain bolt, you've removed your filter, you've allowed all of the oil to drain, you've replaced the filter, you've replaced the drain bolt, the copper washer, you're going to come to the right side of the bike to your dipstick right here. It also acts as the fill port for your engine. And you are going to want to stick your funnel right there. And then you're to come back with 20W50 full synthetic is what I recommend. All right, so you're going to come back with your 20W50 motorcycle specific oil, and you are going to put in 4.25 quarts, or at least that's where you're going to start. Then of course check your dipstick and then make sure it is full accordingly. Okay. Once you've filled it back up with roughly 4.25 quarts of oil, you're going to put your dipstick back in there. You're going to run the engine for 20 to 30 seconds just to get the oil circulating. Check your oil filter, check your oil level on the dipstick. Once again, make sure you're in between the correct marks. And if they are, congratulations, you've just done your very first oil change on your Victory Kingpin.